It's Anara's choice.
Yes. Please.
It's Anara's choice. Today I show you a very easy natural curl and very easy makeup for Valentine's Day. It's very easy and you can use it every day. Don't forget subscribe and put your like and click on the bell. I love you guys. Let's go.
And so, as soon as the influence are washed, dry them well and divide the hair on other side than usual. Arrange them well and divide them into two sections, front and back. Start with the front part. We need to use a large curling iron and wind the hair, a little pulling them and holding them at the end to fix the curls. Attention to get smooth curls. Hold the mount in front and there will be no creases. After finishing the front part, go to the back part. You need to take large stems. If you take too small, first, it is really long, and secondly, there will be no volume and those curls that we achieve. When we pass, pin the front part to the top so that it does not interfere. Start from the back and continue forward. Try to fix all locums with styling. Always twist the hair from the face. Then they will look better and will not interfere and fall on the face. as we wound all the hair through the hair on your usual party. And then there will be the bow that we need and fix everything with styling. Touch up your hair with your hands, put the curls as you need, and voila, that's all. Our installation is ready. It's look very good and very volume. Is it right? In this video, I will only show you the styling. In the next video, we will try to do makeup and you will shine on Valentine's Day.
I hope you guys enjoyed watch my video, and this video it's really easy and you can use it home. Don't forget subscribe, put your like and click on the bell. Bye bye.